Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a membership plugin in WordPress. First, you will need to select a robust membership plugin from the vast WordPress plugin directory. Once you have made your choice, proceed to install and activate it directly on your WordPress website. After activation, locate the plugin's settings area within your dashboard to start the initial configuration process. This foundational step is crucial for setting up your membership site effectively and efficiently. Now, let's talk about controlling who sees what. You can define various membership levels, each with its own distinct access permissions. This allows you to restrict specific posts, pages, or even custom post types, so only your members can view them. You can easily grant access to your premium content based on a member's subscription tier, ensuring that only paying members receive the exclusive benefits they signed up for. Next, we will cover the essential aspects of member and payment management. You will need to set up secure payment gateways to process recurring membership subscriptions smoothly. It is also important to create user-friendly registration forms, making it simple for new members to sign up. From your WordPress dashboard, you can efficiently monitor and manage your entire member base, keeping track of their subscriptions and activity. Finally, let's explore ways to enhance your members' experience. Consider integrating your plugin with email marketing services to maintain consistent communication with your members. You can also offer exclusive discounts or special content as a token of appreciation for your loyal subscribers. Providing a dedicated member area allows for easy profile management and fosters a sense of community, encouraging interaction among your members and boosting overall satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.